last week and before to that week, we have learned open eye meditation. First Akasha Tatva, and then second technique is Chidakasha Tatva. Now we'll be learning about Mahakasha Tatva. These three techniques, if you follow for 21 days, 21 days, one technique, and the second will be from 22nd day to 21 days. And then from that second, after reaching 21 days of second technique, you can start with third technique. So like that, 63 days, if you perform these techniques, you will get many benefits. Like your optical nerve gets benefited, it gets strengthened. For small kids and all, if they perform, they can get rid of specs as well. If they have got some little problem with the eye vision and all, they can get rid of this thing. You can see improvement in your vision. And the other benefits are BP gets normal, and you can diabetes also gets better, it seems. So some people, they have given feedback to Nagraj sir that even their BP also has come to normal, and even their diabetes also come to normal. And other benefits are like your memory power will increases as you are growing older and older. Our memory power gets decreased, right? So performing these techniques, we can improve our memory power. It is beneficial for students as well. And if you have severe headache problems, you will get rid of this headache too. So best example is Nagraj sir itself. He used to work day and night doing seva and normal work and all. So he got more stressed, and he got severe headache, and he was hospitalized in Niman's hospital also, it seems. By doing this, by learning and doing this technique, he got rid of headache. So this is that powerful technique. We should be thankful to Nagraj sir by teaching us these techniques. So, and I will also say what are the do's and don'ts. Like if you are doing this meditation, you should not blink as much as possible. You should not blink your eyes. If you are blinking also, no problem. You just concentrate on the point on the nose. If you can blink, if you are blinking also, no problem. Don't get discouraged. By practicing, you will achieve that. And first time when you are doing, you have to do 21 days, 21 days, 21 days, 63 days. After completion, you can do whichever technique you want, either Akasha Tatva, Chidakasha Tatva, or Mahakasha Tatva. Chidakasha Tatva is used mainly for meditation. When you are doing for meditation, every day you can do Chidakasha Tatva and do the meditation. And for this Mahakasha Tatva, what you have to do is, you have to go to balcony. So that image you have to see in the sky, dark sky, mainly opposite to the moon. Can we all go to balconies, masters, to practice to see that? If you can do it, we'll just give you 1 or 2 minutes. If you can go to balcony and experience it, it will be wonderful. If you can't do it, at least learn the technique, and while practicing a technique, do it in the dark, outside the house. Dark place you have to sit, and you should look into sky, which is opposite to moon. Darker side of the sky only you should see it to see the image. Okay, masters? Okay, we'll start with the meditation. I'll be sharing the picture of the Buddha. You should keep your mobile parallel to your face, and you should keep on concentrating on the point on the nose of the Buddha. Okay, everybody, please keep your mobile parallel to your face and keep on staring at the tip of the nose of the Buddha. Okay, I'll start counting. Yeah, you can turn off your lights. If you can't go outside, at least you can turn off your lights and sit in your room. Yeah, just concentrate on the nose of the Buddha. I'll start counting. And one more thing, when I say you, if you are after 30 counts, I'll ask you to take deep breath. That time, don't close your eyes. Okay, just keep on staring on the nose of the tip, nose of the Buddha. That point on the nose of the Buddha. Okay, masters, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Keep on staring at the nose point on the Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Immediately look on the sky. So you are seeing the beautiful, colorful, biggest image of the Buddha on the sky. Buddha image will be moving here and there. Don't go with the image. It shows how much you have got the concentration. If you have more and more concentration, Buddha will stay at one point itself. If it doesn't have that much concentration, the Buddha will be moving here and there. Don't go with the Buddha's image. Just stare at one point itself until you see the Buddha image. It's a wonderful, colorful, beautiful Buddha image. Biggest form of Buddha image. Right, masters? Again, see the image on the mobile or which I am sharing. The tip of the nose of the Buddha. Again, I'll be starting with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Keep on staring at the Buddha. Don't close your eyes. Again, I'll be starting the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Immediately see on the sky. You'll see more and more clearer Buddha than the first time. The biggest, beautiful Buddha. By practicing more and more times, you'll be seeing clearer and stagnant Buddha. You are observing the Buddha, colorful Buddha, bright Buddha, beautiful Buddha. Right, masters? We'll practice once again. Please look at the image. See the point on the nose of the Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Don't close your eyes. Keep on staring at the Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Immediately see on the sky. You are seeing more and more clearer Buddha, right? The beautiful Buddha, the peaceful Buddha, more and more clearer Buddha. By practicing more and more times, you will achieve stagnant Buddha. Don't worry if your Buddha is moving here and there. Practice makes man perfect. Okay, masters. We have done 3 times. So while practicing, minimum 5 times you have to practice to get more and more benefits of this technique. Okay, masters.